갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secrets. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, join the family, turn on your notification bell after subscribing so that you will get every of my upload. And to my old subscribers, guys, thank you. You guys know I love you all like kilo day. I love you all, guys. So today we are going to be talking about pimples cream. Yes, guys, we'll be talking about pimples cream, and here I have two creams that you can use to treat your pimples. But I'm going to be giving a review on this, and I'm also going to be giving a review on this because I have used both of them. So I don't want you guys to have any complications or use them on your face and you start saying, Diva, this one that. So these two cream, they are for pimples. This is for pimples and acne. It's called clean cap cream. We also have the clean cap gel. Yeah, we have the clean cap gel. So this one is the cream. So this clean cap cream, or is a cream or is a tube. So this helps to clear pimples and acne. Have you tried it before? If you have tried it before, please leave your comment below. Tell us what you got, if it actually worked for you or not. Yes. So this is clean cap cream, and this helps to clear out acne and pimples. And this is made with what is it called? These are names, and these names, they are too clindamycin. I don't know. This is made with 1% clindamycin, and this is made in India. This cream is from India and is made in India. So I have actually used this clean cap cream for pimples treatment. Guys, trust me, you will want to try this. Like I'm telling you guys, you are going to try it and you are going to love it. And this is a complete pimples cream and acne cream. So I use this on my face and it worked great for me, and I did not even use it directly. So you can try it directly. It's still very safe. It's very safe. You can try it directly, or you can add it inside your face cream. So what I normally do, I take and I rub it around the part where I have my pimples, and it worked for me. So, and I wanted to go extra mile, like let me just try this. So I take half of this and I mix it inside a face cream, and it is nice. It is great. It helps to, it's not going to lighten up your skin, like give you that lightening. It's just going to give you this clear skin. You're just going to see that your spots, they are fading away. They are going brown. If you have dark spots, yes, if you have dark spots or if you have pimples, first it's going to dry out that pimples. And you know, if you have pimples and you're light in complexion, from that pimples you get your spots. That is where our spots always come from. You know, from pimples we get our spots. So what this cream is going to do is going to first of all dry the pimples, and that's your dark spots that you have. It's just going, you see the dark spots going brown. You're going to see the dark spots going brown. It's just going to be like diminishing the black spot. The thing is going brown. Like I really have a lot of spots here. I think I posted the video. I have a lot of spots, not this side, a lot of dark spots, and on my forehead, because that is where I always have my pimples, and immediately my pimples just dried out. The next thing you will see the black spot. So this cream helped me a lot. That is why I'm giving this review. Okay, I'm giving you guys this honest review. This cream helped me a lot. Put it around that place where you have your spot, and you can use it as a facial cream, not directly. You can use it to mix your own facial cream, then before you can actually use it on your face. So guys, this thing is the bomb. It's really great. So I'm not going to lie here, I'm not going to deceive you guys. It's really great. Clean cap is good. So And this cream does not have too much of oils. That is why I love it. You know, there are some cream that you're going to rub on your face, is going to be feeling too greasy. No, this is not like that. If you rub this clean cap on your face is just going to soak it in. It's like they did not use any oil to make this cream. It's like they did not use anything like oil to make this cream, just like they use wax and water with other active ingredient, because you're not going to feel any shining of oils on your face. That is why I love it, because I have oily skin and I wouldn't want to add anything that has to do with oil again on my face. So if I rub it in on my face, I will notice nothing. Everything just go like water. I was like, it's like they did not use their oil to make this thing, and it's really great. It's really great. And most people that have acne and pimples, and most of us that have oily skin, if you have oily skin, be prepared. Just get ready for pimples, get ready for acne. They come. Even if you cure it, they will still come. Like, you don't even invite them, they will still come. It's like that, you know. So each time I treat my face, after 1 week or 2 weeks, you see me jubilating, like, oh, my face is looking all, you know, refreshed and all that. Before you see, one pimples will just come. And if that one come, we invite the pimples. We also invite his family members again, and from there you see spots coming. But this is going to do that magic for you, right? So this is great, guys. Try it. It's called Clean Cap Cream, and we also have Clean Cap gel. I have not tried the gel. I have the gel, I have the cream. I only tried this one, so I'm not going to give review about the gel. I really don't know about that. So anytime I have pimples again, I'm going to try the gel and see the outcome, right? So guys, now we are going to talk about this thing that you're seeing here. Nano 5, yeah, Nano 5 Kojic White Glutaberry, and this is for anti-pimples, and this is for black spots, and this is also for sunburn, and they said 7 days whitening. So I don't know, 7 days whitening. So the first of all, when they said pimples, black spots, and sunburn, and they also wrote 7 days whitening. So anything that you are using to treat your pimples is not supposed to be something that has to whiten your skin. Anything, if you're doing like treatment, anything treatment is not supposed to be whitening you. Like, you're not supposed to use it as a whitening stuff. So they said this treats pimples, and it's also 7 days whitening. That means as you are treating your pimples and you are still whitening your face, meaning you have that, those black spots that you got from that pimples, they will be very visible. You see, dark people, if they have pimples, they just cure it. You don't see any sign like they have pimples before. You don't see spots. But for light skinned people, if you have spots and you cure it, if you have pimples and you cure it, you're going to see that spots. But for the dark skinned people, they have pimples, they cure it, nothing like spots, it's just gone. So that is the challenges when it comes to having a lightening skin and having a brown skin. So when I have my pimples, before I use the clean cap, this is what I tried first. And guys, I have more pimples. Like, seriously, I have more pimples. And I also gave this to someone, and I think the person is having more pimples, or that is how her face is before. I don't know, but she told me she's having pimples. And I think it's from this thing, or maybe she's just having normal pimples, like a normal skin type. I really don't know, but this really break me out. It's supposed to be a treatment, so let me open it. Wow. So this is it. This is supposed to be a treatment, but it gives you more pimples. So I really don't understand it. So maybe the thing is first, maybe this thing is going to give you pimples first, more pimples first, before it's actually going to start working. I really don't know. So this really break me out. Like, I'm trying to treat my pimples and they are coming. I really don't understand if where the thing is coming from. I really do not understand. I'm treating and they are coming. So when I noticed that this is the reason why the pimples are coming more, it was when I started using the clean cap. So I just dropped this and I said, let me try the clean cap, because I have most of these things at home. So I said, let me try the clean cap. So when I dropped this, I started using the clean cap, wow, it was like, wow, it was so nice, so nice. This really helped me a lot. And I also use this clean cap. I like to try things. If I have things at home, I want to try them and know how they work. So I used this one and I also dropped it. It really worked. I also dropped it, and I was using what is it called, White Express tuning sports cream, and that really finished work for me. That really it worked a lot. So guys, please take note. I don't know if you're going to try it. I really don't know, or if you have tried it before. This thing, not go there. This thing really break me out. I'm trying to cure pimples. I'm rubbing this thing on my face, and more pimples are coming. Look at it. Nano 5. I don't know where they made it from. They said Nano 5 original. So I gave it to someone as a gift, but the person is still having more breakouts, and this thing also gave me more breakouts. So if you have used it before and you actually have more breakouts, leave your comment below. And if you also want to use it, I'm not going to discourage you. You can try it. Okay, you can try it. They said it's for anti-pimples, black spots, and sunburn, and it's also going to whiten your face in 7 days. Okay, but this gave me breakouts. So guys, try these ones and you come and thank me later. So the name is Clean Cap. So that is it for today's video. I just quickly want to make this review, okay? What I saw, this thing, hey god. So guys, that is it for today's video, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Please feel free to subscribe, oh, don't forget that, and always watch my advert. It's just like some seconds, you know, some seconds is not going to take your time. Just relax and watch the advert and leave your comments below. So catch ya.